Hey guys, welcome to Main Sawyer. This episode, we're going to change a door. So anyways, we have this door in here. When I first bought this house, the door that was here was, had a window in it, but the door was all falling apart. So I was at, there's a place called Martin's here in Maine that has, basically they buy stuff that the stores that they sell can't sell them, so they buy them, either waterlogged or whatever. But this one here, this door was fine. I can't remember how much I paid for it. That was about 10 years ago. But as you can see down the bottom, it's falling apart. And if you come over here, you can see the door is really coming apart. So, I was at the dump one day. I found this. This is a much sturdier door. That one, I think it was an inside door. But this here, so this was at the dump. I picked this up. It's got a nice window in it. Double pane glass. So I'm just going to swap this door for that door. Now the only thing is this one is 30 inches wide and that one's 32. But when I put this door in, we put a 2x4 in here, as you can see right here, to make this a little bit shorter. So I measured it. If I take this out, this frame out and everything, it's got caulking in here or something. I can't remember. The great stuff that I still have on my sweatshirt that I put it in here with. So I take this door frame out. To here is about 32 inches. And if I clean this up, I should be able to fit that in there. And then build my own door frame around it. So, no further ado, let's get working on this. We'll take off these first and take the frame out, see what we can do with it. My solar panels are going really good. Need to be cleaned off, I think. And then this here is for my burn barrel. What I want to do that is I want to take this down to the sawmill and I want to collect rain with it. So I can put a spigot on the bottom so I can use my power washer down there. So let's get to it. So what we do is take the door off first. As you can see, we still have some snow. More down there. I see a fire coming along a little bit later. I won't have to take these out. What are you doing? Grace. So we put this insulation in about 10 years ago, and as you can see over the years it gets really hot up there, so it just falls apart. You don't put any sheetrock or whatever up there, that's what's going to happen. So currently this opens in. Do I want it to open out? No, because we get a good amount of snow right here. It's pretty lined up out there. A little bit in here. So, remind me I put that there. So you're going to put a couple screws in up there. Yeah. It's better. It's better. So I got it in so far. Yeah, oh, beautiful, isn't it? The close is good. I got that there to keep it from bouncing down there. And then I got one up top there. So now what I need to do is just pretty this up. Yeah. It's getting there. Yeah, I'd change this out for one that I have a key with. There's no play in it. Yeah. Now I can see outside. Up there too. Like I said, I'm not a carpenter by all means. And if I had a door jamb that it came with, that'd be a lot easier. I would have had to take these out though. But I don't. And that's what I got. I got a weather strip on the bottom, which was on it already. Keep the rodents out. Because there was, I don't know, there was like 2-inch gap underneath there. So anything can get in. Not that they can't get in anywhere else. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. Yeah, now when I close my door, the whole wall moves. Great. But that's that. That's the end of this video of me putting in the door. But I did it. And then we'll go from there. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button down bottom. Yeah, the like button. That helps me out a lot. More than you think. And I really do appreciate it. But thanks again for watching Maine Sawyer. And we will see you on the next one.